10 fascinating facts about cats. Learn more about your cat. 1. In terms of development, the first year of a cat's life is equal to the first 15 years of a human life. After its second year, a cat is 25 in human years. And after that, each year of a cat's life is equal to about 7 human years. 2. Cats can rotate their ears 180 degrees. 3. The hearing of the average cat is at least 5 times keener than that of a human adult. 4. In the largest cat breed, the average male weighs approximately 20 pounds. 5. Domestic cats spend about 70% of the day sleeping, and 15% of the day grooming. 6. A cat cannot see directly under its nose. 7. Most cats have no eyelashes. 8. Cats have 5 toes on each front paw, but only 4 on the back ones. It's not uncommon, though, for cats to have extra toes. The cat with the most toes known had 32, 8 on each paw. 9. Some believe that if you dream about a white cat, good luck will follow. 19. Meows are not innate cat language, they develop them to communicate with humans.